Yes, let's get back into this one again, of course. NFT Shorts. Woo! This is the home of NFTs and crypto. Join the crypto for beginners because right now the team is growing. Let me tell you, the team is growing. It's not showing right there because a lot of this is friends and family, right? But the team is growing and it's strong. So, I mean, let me just tell you that, right? So if you want to understand what's happening right here, this is the place to be, you know? We're gonna get into something here and we're gonna talk about BSCPad one more time. I can't guarantee it's the last time, but I feel like this it's a little bit of a different angle, but it's also critical. And all I could say is that you'll know when we get there. I couldn't even wait. All right, so let's check out the BSCPad website. As you see, Dart Insurance is there. Easily accessible NFT insurance for everyone. Insure your NFTs. It's coming up very soon. We're not going to dive deep into this one. I just want to talk about it. The main reason why we're doing this video today is because we want to understand how to get into BSCPad and how to make it work. Okay. You've got options here. If you want to get in pre-sale, you've got to do snapshots of your account to prove that you've got BSCPad in there, the amount that's necessary. Definitely, I recommend you join the Telegram group, the right Telegram group, and be careful never to accept certain messages just from random strangers. Because if it's part of a real team, they will not message you first. You have to remember that. Okay, so public sale price, allocations, when they'll begin, essentially free for first come, first serve. There are many different ways to get this product, okay? But of course, one of the main ways is to catch it on the first public listing, which would be this date. But again, we're not talking about this specifically. It's the dates that are important, okay? So let's check out the BSCPad, just look at the numbers here. And there's one thing you have to understand. It's the swing of this thing. Because when there's an allocation and it's met, people have their tokens. A lot of times they'll dump, right? And during those times, you have an opportunity to buy on the lower side, okay? Now, you've got other opportunities as well to sell naturally, because every now and then it just happens to go right back up, as you see clearly here. You catch some of these peaks, you catch the $5.50, you catch the $5.45, and then maybe, you catch a $4.25, a $4.30, on the way back down. So it's all about timing with this one and knowing when snapshots happen for accounts, when people are going to put their money into this token. All right. We're not going to dwell too much on that, but I wanted to show you that they've got 2 new launches coming up. So their calendar is getting a little more, heftier, right? So let's just say that. And again, check the dates right here, live on their Twitter page. Check the date for these 2 right here, brand new, just coming. So it does fill out the schedule, and it helps to boost a little more interest and keep the money flowing into BSCPad and keep these numbers here rolling and just fluctuating in a certain pattern, certain rhythm. The ups and the downs, and the ups and the downs. Sometimes there's downs because maybe there's some time between launches, right? Sometimes, but that's when you just chill, you take your time and work it out. But as we just quickly take a look at these 2 projects that are launching, we're not going to look into who they are and what the teams are. We're looking to find the best time to get in and the best time to get out. I definitely clicked the team. I looked around. I checked the white paper. I spent some time there. Right, I looked at the blockbank whitelist to see how to get onto it, how to do it through the form, right? Information's right there. I'm not going to read all of it, but essentially, you join the Telegram, you follow the group, you create, tweets with hashtags, and follow BSCPad and give your wallet address and to show that you have the right amount of BSCPad, right? Your Telegram username to keep you, to know who you are, essentially, right? Now, And then of course we're gonna go to KelVPN and just, you know, just take a quick look. There's activity, clearly it's legitimate. They just announced, and the time is coming. They're gonna launch. They're ready, and BSCPad is gonna push it up. You know, and that's just a quick thing on the website. I was reading the last sentence here, just trying to understand it, but I understand it, but I just felt like this is the front page, you know. So, but that's not even the point. Not to pull that out like that. It's not even the main point. The point is trying to get in and get out at the right time. So these things go off, and I'm talking about these things meaning BSCPad projects. When they launch, they might go off to the peak in 2 minutes. So if you don't get in and get out, if you're not in the pre-sale, if you happen to get in on the first shot, second shot, and it actually PancakeSwap lets you buy it, for example, if it's on PancakeSwap or Uniswap, you just consider yourself to be lucky in some way, right? And don't expect it to happen, because there's so many people coming through trying to click it just a microsecond before you clicked it, and maybe their processors are better on their computer, all sorts of different factors, who knows? I mean, and right, so what I'm saying is, if you wait 3 minutes to buy this, you're probably going to buy it at the peak, and you're probably going to get wrecked, because they're going to go down. If you look at all of them in the past, you check out the information for yourself. I won't click through each and every single one of them to check the charts. It would just be too long. Go to bscpad.com and check it out yourself. But yes, I definitely appreciate everybody coming through and watching this episode here. You know what to do. You know, click the like button, subscribe. Absolutely subscribe. But definitely, you gotta click the bell, because a lot of this information is not going to be coming to you when it's timely and necessary. So click the notification bell so you know when it's time, because this is happening essentially tonight, right now. It's happening tomorrow, right? So you got to watch these things. It's happening on the 17th. You've got to watch these things, right? Check the dates for yourself. Join the Telegram groups, but be careful. All right. All the best to you.